Your high-end carbon frame produces nearly 40 times the CO2 of a flax fiber alternative. Yet top manufacturers are only just admitting that organic composites might actually ride better than plastic. To understand the sustainability problem, we must look at embodied energy. Manufacturing a kilogram of carbon fiber requires significantly more energy than aluminum or steel, primarily due to the oxidation and carbonization processes at extreme temperatures. Major brands like Trek and Specialized tout recycled carbon, but in 2026, this remains largely a downcycling process. They chop scrap prepreg into short fibers for injection molded bottle cages or petals, which lack the long-chain structural integrity required for high-performance frame tubes. Flax fiber is the legitimate disruptor, boasting just 5% of carbon's CO2 footprint. Beyond the environmental metric, flax offers superior vibration damping properties, absorbing high-frequency road buzz that standard high-modulus carbon transmits directly to the rider. Bamboo is often dismissed as a novelty, but its tensile strength-to-weight ratio rivals steel. The issue historically was the joinery, but modern composite lugs using epoxy-soaked hemp have solved the durability failures seen in early DIY attempts. The future isn't a single material, but hybridization. We are seeing 2026 endurance frames utilizing carbon for drive-side stiffness and flax layers in the seat stays and fork legs, optimizing comfort while reducing the total frame carbon footprint by roughly 30%. Here is your buying decision for the 2026 market. If you are racing criteriums, recycled carbon components are your best contribution. However, for gravel and endurance, seek out hybrid flax-carbon layups for a tangible performance benefit. For endurance riding, hybrid flax-carbon is the superior material choice.